Google News is great for discovering stories, but constantly checking it yourself can get tedious. In this video, I'll show you how to take any Google News search, convert it into a feed, optionally filter or summarize the results with AI, and then automatically deliver those updates to Telegram. Whether you want to automatically share news with a Telegram community, send daily updates to coworkers, or get a morning briefing on your industry, you'll have a fully automated workflow running in just a few minutes. Let's start with Google News. Find whatever you want to follow. It could be a search for a keyword, a topic, or even a specific publication. Copy that URL from your browser. Next, head over to rss.app. Paste that URL into the RSS feed generator and hit Generate. RSS app converts the constantly updating Google News page into a structured RSS feed that you can work with. Click Save to My Feeds. Now, before we connect Telegram, let's look at a few ways to customize the information you'll receive. Open filters if you want to auto-hide unwanted articles or exclude certain keywords. This lets you keep your feed focused on the topics that matter most. You can also enable AI Brief. Instead of sending every article individually, AI Brief can summarize the latest news for you and deliver those summaries on a daily schedule. All right, let's wire it up. In your feed overview, click the Telegram icon. Log in with your Telegram account and authorize RSS app to post on your behalf. Next, choose where you want the updates to go: a Telegram channel, a group, or directly to you as a DM. If you're posting to a group or channel, add our bot and make sure it has permission to send messages. Then choose your destination from the drop-down and click Save. RSS app will immediately forward the last 3 posts from your feed to Telegram, so you can verify that everything is working correctly. From that point on, whenever new articles appear in your Google News feed, they'll automatically be forwarded to Telegram. You can also customize how individual messages appear. Just open the Settings tab to adjust the message format. And if you ever want to see what was sent, head to the History tab. And that's it. You now have an automated workflow that takes updates from Google News and delivers them directly to Telegram. Build it today with rss.app.